Welcome to JSR Voice. Today I want to discuss with you regarding entertainment allowance. So how actually we do entertainment allowance calculations and its exemption. So let us go and discuss. Before discussing entertainment allowance problems and its solutions, I want to discuss with you rules regarding entertainment allowance deduction. Entertainment allowance is one of the allowance that is given by employer to the salaried employees. Whenever employees gets this allowance, they also get deduction for entertainment allowance. So, who will get deduction? Deduction is nothing but exemption. So, who will get deduction? Who will not get deduction? We should know that. If anyone is eligible to get the deduction, we should know what is the deduction amount. We should calculate it, and that will be given as a deduction in entertainment allowance. Okay. So, we must know the rules regarding entertainment allowance deduction. For purpose of calculation of deduction or exemption in an entertainment allowance, employees are classified into two types. First one is central and state government employees, and second one is employees of statutory corporations, local authorities and non-government employees. They are known as non-government employees. So first category is government employees and second category is non-government employees. Non-government employees don't have any deduction. They don't have any deduction. No deduction is allowed to them. Okay, if any employee is a non-government employee, no deduction for him. And suppose he is a government employee, means he is working either in central government or state government, then he will get deduction. Deduction is least of the following three amounts. So if he is government employee, then only he will get the deduction. If he is non-government employee, no deduction in entertainment allowance. Hope this is clear for everyone. Okay. So here, what is the deduction then for government employees? Deduction is least of the following three amounts. Here three amounts are given. Okay. So three items are there. Least of the following three. Least will be taken as deduction. So first one is 20% of salary. Second one is actual amount of allowance received or receivable. Third one is rupees 5,000. Okay. So these three, out of these three, which is the least one, that will be given as deduction, and remaining amount is taxable for him. Okay. So here in the first one we have 20% of salary. Then salary means what? Salary means only basic pay. So whatever basic pay he gets, that is known as salary. Okay. In calculation of this entertainment allowance deduction, salary definition is basic pay only. We have to take basic pay. Then we can calculate 20% on that. Then we get first point. Okay. So these are the rules for calculation of deduction in entertainment allowance. Let us go and discuss one problem so that you will understand it clearly. Let us go and discuss that. So here we have one problem. I have taken this illustration from Prem Raja textbook. So let us see what is that. Mr. Ravi is a assessee employed in Public Works Department of Government of Telangana. So clearly we come to know that he is a government employee. He is working in one government department in Telangana state. Okay, so he is government employee, and if we are going to calculate deduction in entertainment allowance, he is eligible for deduction because government employees can get deduction. Just now I discussed with you. Okay, so government employees can get the deduction. So he is eligible for deduction, Mr. Ravi. And his salary particulars are as under. Calculate deduction allowed under section 16 subsection 2. So section 16 subsection 2 deduction means entertainment allowance deduction. Entertainment allowance deduction is given under section 16 and subsection 2 in salary statement. If you go through my previous video in income from salary, I explained there full pro forma of calculation of income from salary. So there under deduction section 16 I gave this as one of the deduction, okay, in entertainment allowance deduction under section 16 subsection 2. So whenever they give you in any question how to calculate deduction under section 16 subsection 2 means deduction in entertainment allowance. Hope this is clear for everyone. Okay, so here we are going to calculate what is the deduction that Mr. Ravi is going to get in entertainment allowance. Let us read the further question. Basic pay is 6,000 per month. DA means dearness allowance. Okay, so 800 he is getting, and it enters for retirement benefit. Whenever DA enters for retirement benefit, that is known as DP, dearness pay. Okay, so education allowance is 350, and entertainment allowance how much he is getting? 1,250 per month. So he is getting 1,250 entertainment allowance. Hope this is clear for everyone. So let us see the solution. So what we have to calculate here, we are going to calculate deduction in entertainment allowance. Whenever we calculate deduction in entertainment allowance, our main aim is first of all looking into question whether he is government or non-government employee. If he is government employee, then only he is eligible for deduction in entertainment allowance under section 16 subsection 2. If he is non-government employee, no deduction. Full entertainment allowance is taxable for him. Okay, it should be clear always for you all. So let us discuss. Here Mr. Ravi is who? He is a government employee. So he will get a deduction. Okay, you should write that. The assessee is a government employee. So deduction is what? Least of the following three amounts. Just now I have shown in the previous screen. So if he is government employee, these are the rules that we have to apply. Okay, so least of the following three amounts is allowed as deduction. So least of the following three amounts is known as deduction. First one is 20% of salary. So salary means what I told? It is basic pay only. Salary means basic pay only. So we should take only basic pay from the question. What is the basic pay here? It is 6,000 per month. So you should take it for 1 year, students, always. So salary means basic pay only. It is how much? 6,000 into 12. So 6,000 into 12, how much you get? 6,000 into 12, you should check that. Okay, 6,000 into 12, actually you get 72,000. So 72,000 into what is this? 20%. So 72,000 into 20 by 100, you should do, you will get 14,400. I think it is clear for everyone. Okay, so you will get 14,400. And next, second point is actual allowance received. So what is actual entertainment allowance he is receiving? You can see here in the question. 1,250 per month. So you should take it for 12 months, students, always. Okay, 1,250 into 12, you will get 15,000. Okay, so you will get 15,000. And third point is, in our rule, what is the third point? 5,000 rupees. That is 5,000 only. Don't multiply again by 12. That is 5,000. That's all. Not for 1 month. 5,000. You can see the rule. So 5,000, only 5,000. So take 5,000 here also in our solution. So here also you write 5,000. Okay. So these three are ready now. 20% of salary we calculated, and the second one allowance. How much allowance he is receiving? Entertainment allowance 1,250 per month into 12. We are getting 15,000. Last one is 5,000. So is equal to, if you do, you will get first one 14,400, and the second one 15,000, last one 5,000. But out of these three, which one you should select? Least one. You should select least one. So what is the least one here? 5,000. So how you have to select it? By drawing a circle around this. Okay, so they just highlighted, they darkened that, but you have to circle it in your notes. So 5,000 we are going to select because that is the least out of these three. So deduction is how much? 5,000 will be allowed as deduction under section 16 subsection 2. Okay, so in salary statement also you should write under section 16 to 5,000 rupees by doing like this in 12 marks problem. Sometimes you may get this for short also, and it is useful in long problems also in income from salary. Okay, so salary means only basic pay here. DA, DPs we don't take here. Okay, salary means what is the definition in calculation of entertainment allowance? Only basic pay. Okay, so that is why we took here 6,000 into 12 per month, they said. That is why we took 6,000 into 12. Hope this is clear for everyone. So this is how we have to solve it. Hope this is clear. In case of any doubts, you can mention in the comment section. If you understand also, mention in the comment section. Let us go and discuss next problem in entertainment allowance only, so that you will get full complete idea how to prepare these problems. So Srimati Layakarini is working in Tata Limited as accounts executive. She is working in Tata Limited. So Tata Limited is, that did not mention anywhere, that is, it is government, state government or central government. So Tata Limited is, it is not a government company. So she is working as a non-government employee. Okay, so by looking into the first line, you have to identify that she is not a government employee, she is a non-government employee. And in case of non-government employees, no deduction is given in entertainment allowance. You should know that. I will show. So if non-government employee, will we give any deduction? No deduction. No deduction is given. Okay, if she is non-government employee. So in entertainment allowance, no deduction. Okay, but let us read the question completely. Her salary particulars, basic pay 70,000 is given. So here they did not mention per month. If they don't mention per month, it is for 1 year, students. You have to remember that. If they mention for 1 month, you should multiply by 12 while solving that. But 70,000 they mentioned, so that is for 1 year. DA 14,000. It is also for 1 year, students. Okay, so DA also for 1 year. 14,000. And next, commission, part of the salary is 5% on sales. So commission they gave. Okay, sales are 2,40,000. So whenever we calculate this 2,40,000 into 5 by 100 we should do, then we will get the commission amount. But now we are going to calculate entertainment allowance. We don't require anywhere this information. And next, entertainment allowance, how much she is getting? 25,000. They did not mention per month or per year. So it is for full year, 25,000. Calculate taxable amount of entertainment allowance. How much is taxable? That is they are asking. So let us do calculation. First solution. In solution, what we are going to do? First we are going to tell that whether she is a government or non-government employee. You already know she is non-government employee. So assessee is a non-government employee. Will you give any deduction? No deduction if she is non-government employee. So deduction is not allowed. If deduction is not there, then what happens? Full entertainment allowance is taxable. So what is the actual allowance she is receiving? Entertainment allowance, that is 25,000. So take 25,000 here and less deduction. Do you give any deduction? No, it is nil. Why? Because she is non-government employee. Okay, then what is the taxable portion of entertainment allowance? 25,000 only. So 25,000 is fully taxable for her. Okay, so 25,000 is taxable amount of entertainment allowance. Because they asked in the question what is the taxable amount of entertainment allowance. So you should calculate deduction first, but here deduction is nil. Okay, and if you deduct that, whatever amount we are going to get, that is taxable portion. So since here deduction is nil, okay, then 25,000 is taxable. If she is eligible for deduction, we have to do like previous solution for calculation of deduction amount. Then the deduction will be deducted here. Then we will get the taxable portion of amount. Okay, but here deduction is nil, so that calculation is not required because assessee is a non-government employee. Hope this is clear for everyone. I think everyone understood this and have an idea of calculation of entertainment allowance clearly. Hope this is clear for everyone. So watch previous videos and next coming videos also. If you understand, like the video, share it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.